What's in the box? About to find out with this beautiful Spyderco Surge Edition on loan from you-know-who. Thank you very much, sir. And let's see what's in the box. Let's correct that, huh? Triad Tactical. Thank you very much. Buy once, cry once. That's always been my motto. Old Glory. It's actually a nice decal. Thank you very much. The pièce de resistance we'll save for in a second. What I got here is a Badger Ordnance Condition 1 modular mount. This is the instruction manual. I'll save more on that for the review in another video. Right now it's just an unboxing. Invoice, you need to see that. Little Torx wrench. Thank you. And the main event. Let's move this. The Condition 1 mount by Badger Ordnance in a 1.70 height. That also translates over to a lower 1/3 for people who know red dots. There's some Torx information. Very beautiful color. Wow, I'm very impressed by the anodizing. So, this is going to hold down a Razor Gen 3 1 to 10. And that video is coming very soon. But overall, I'm very impressed. Thank you so much, Triad Tactical. You're the best. I'll be definitely ordering more from you soon. Captain out.